So one of the things that made me the saddest about leaving the Springs was leaving the nature center that I've basically grown up in. And today, while we were exploring the new town, we came across this that is pretty dang close to the nature center. Look at all the flipping geese. Oh my gosh. We don't know if there's fishing or not, but like, how freaking cool is this? Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Is that what that sound was? Oh. Yeah. Oh my gosh, yeah. Nuts. Oh yeah, look at the water pooling on top. Look. Woo! Woo! Yeah. Oh, it's freaking cold. Oh, but this is so cool. And then you can walk all the way around. There's benches. I wonder how big of a trail it is. So cute. Oh, okay. Ooh, look at this. It's our first real snow. Huh? I don't think it is. It's still powder. Oh, is it locked?
Yes.
Dang it.
I thought you had.
No. That didn't clump. Ah! Punk. I like that sound. We need keys. We need keys.
You got everything?
We need keys. Mine are easier to grab.
Quick.
I don't know which keys you need.
Oh, my knee. Fun! Oh my gosh! Okay. Owen. Look, he doesn't like the cold. He's snuggled into Maple perfectly. Mapes, are you keeping him warm? Aww. Good baby. He's so cute. Good morning, guys. It is -2 degrees right now. Dogs had to go potty. I had to go potty. So I ran to the bathroom, and when I opened the door to let the little dogs in, because they can't take it outside at all, I found this. Maple, we'll pretend this is Maple, was over there, and she was just doing this to her. Very gently outside. She's so cold. So I came running in here because Naya's room is the safest, quietest room in the house, because Essie still isn't speaking to us, our stray cat, and so she hides. Ryland's room's got 2 cats, and Adric is anti-animal. So I came in here. She had just woke up. Look at that beautiful face. She had just woke up too, and I handed her a bird while I went to go make some taro syrup in warm water. I said, get her on the heating pad. Her mate was watching over her while Maple was out there nudging her and flapping around, and then he flew off as soon as I opened the door and grabbed her. So hopefully we can get her warmed up and then put her back out when it warms up today. Anyway, I just wanted to share. My baby. Does that feel better? Yeah, you're opening your eyes now. A little bit. I don't know how you guys survive that stuff out there. Oh, you gotta get some more sugar water down you, though. Yeah. Yeah. Test it on your finger first. The cup is still really hot, but I don't think it's the drink. Okay. Come on, try and drink. Get some sugar water and get your energy back up. It's alright. She was so pooped up, bless her little heart. At least I think it's a female. I don't know. Kind of looks like a female, doesn't it?
She looks like Lyle.
Yeah, but Lyle's male.
Mm-hmm.
You got one drop in. I saw it. Come on. Come on. Do you have a fingernail?
Stinker.
Come here. I know, you don't want to be messed with, but we got to try and get some of this down you. I got a little bit that time. There you go. I know it sucks, but it's going to warm you up. Sweet baby. We'll get you back to your meat. Mapes, did you find that baby outside, huh? Did you save her? Mapes, did you save that baby bird, huh? She's like, I just want food. Well, you look like you're much more alert. Are you ready to be free? Now he's going to turn you loose. Go find your mate. Alright, baby, be free. Huh?
Walk closer to the tree. This tree has lower branches.
Which one?
This one?
There he goes. Maple. Look at that butt in the background. She wants to say hello to the kitties, and she knows she's not supposed to go in Ryland's room. Look at her being so good. Standing right outside of the door, watching them. She's such a good dog. Oh. Meanwhile, this one's killing my oldest offspring. She says, I hadn't seen you all morning. I hadn't seen you. You were saving a dove. Oh.
Stop doing that.
She says, you thought you were going out to take care of ducks? Aw. Come on, Fuzzball. Come on. Come on. You got to sit on Hazel. You got to sit on Hazel. There you go. It's so cute. That'll do, dog. That'll do. Hey, looks much more alert. All right, you gonna go find your mate? Go on. Oh, look, she made it into the tree this time. All right, good luck. Okay, so I'm doing laundry because with the holidays we were behind, and this one comes into the house carrying the sword of ice that she pulled from the greenhouse.
It was on the greenhouse fan.
Wow, it is melting fast though. Look at it dripping.
Hey.
Nice. We are taking Christmas down.
I'm gonna go put this outside before it.
Typically we celebrate the 12 days of Christmas, and I still have 3 more days, so I may leave that tree up. But all of the stockings and the star and the nutcrackers and the candy canes and the bathroom trees. So I have 2 bathroom trees and then that tree right there. I'm going to go ahead and take down. The dogs jumped on my bed, and they saw the neighbor's black dog running around, knocked down my giant glass of orange juice all over my bedding. So I've got bedding I have to do. And the piglet decided yesterday was too flippin' cold to go outside, so he promptly walked over to the dog bed and he peed on their bed. So we have been battling frozen pipes in the kitchen. So has been pulled everything out of there. We've been running the space heater on it, and then last night we actually left it dripping, and it finally did not fully freeze up. So at least we had water. We didn't have hot water, but we had cold water, and the bathroom did not have hot water either. So, but at least it's still cold water. Husband bought this last night to block this spot here, because the table is scratching the heck out of my floor. So the table is there to keep Hazel and Maple and Owen out of the kitchen when Jeremy's cooking. So he got this, which is kind of nice. Once he gets the other 2 casters on the bottom replaced, because only 2 of them move in every direction and the other 2 don't. But it slides nicely in that space there. And then I still have a little bit more storage. So it's kind of bigger than I wanted, but I mean, the dog is a baby horse, so it works. And if we decide to do something later, then we turn it into a tool chest. These we also bought yesterday because we have been getting to negative 20 degrees, and my chickens, even though they're in the greenhouse, are still getting cold. The greenhouse keeps it slightly warmer, but not enough. The poor turkey was shivering. And so we bought the turkeys dog houses, which I'll show you. And then these are going to be the doors for the dog houses. And then this, we've only got 8 birds. So we can put 4 in each one. And there's a shelf, so I can put 2 on the top, 2 on the bottom. And it will hold their heat in so that they stay warmer. Because that greenhouse is so big, they don't huddle together, and they just go to various spots in there, and they're just staying too cold. So we will have to go back to locking them at nighttime just to make sure that they stay warm. But we're having to do that anyway because we've got to check waters, they're freezing and everything else. So we're going to move these out to the greenhouse here in a little bit after I finish doing the laundry. And then I have a box of cookbooks that I want to put away. I got to carry the water gallons to the car so I can fill them up. And I got to go get bins so that we can put the Christmas stuff away. We have a lot of catch up to do. But, oh, and then we bought these. We bought these yesterday, too, because the floor was getting disgusting with shoes. So, I don't know if they're going to stay in here forever, but for now, we can put it here, and it will hold the boots so it's not all over the floor doing this. All right, when I go out to the greenhouse to set these up, I will take you guys with so that you can see.